Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Deep's first Section 8 rental property. I am so fired up for Deep. Deep is doing this rehab right now. He also has two other Section 8 units that are up and running that he is doing rehabs on currently. So super excited for him. Guys, Deep bought this for $43,000. Rehab cost here $60,000. We are doing everything. Come on in and I'll show you guys around. So, guys, one part of this is a unit where we own a lot of properties on the street. So we have an understanding of what rents will go for in this area, what Section 8 is going to pay us on this street, which extremely important when you buy units that are all clumped together or in close relation to each other. You have to understand what you're going to get for each unit, because then you have to budget the amount of capital for rehabs for each unit. So this is a great project for us because we have an understanding of what the other units on the street are going to go for. Therefore, we know that the numbers are going to work. So in here, we're doing all new floors, we're doing all new drywall, we're doing new roof, we're doing, you name it, we're doing it, new electrical. There's plumbing work being done here, HVAC unit being done here. You name it, we're doing it. It's absolutely beat. We came in the back. So you walk in the back into a laundry room right here. All this flooring will be redone, all new doors throughout, all new light fixtures, everything. Come into the bathroom. So everything in here, guys, going to be redone as well. Brand new ceiling being installed here, new tub going in, new vanity and new toilet, as well as a new floor has already been put in. So we go from there through the laundry room. New doors are already here, but we have bedroom number one. Now, bedroom number one needed a closet, so we're in the process of building a closet. Really, really bad leaks were coming through the roof, as you can see from the stains on the ceiling here. We put a brand new roof on this as well, so making sure that we don't have any water coming through anymore. All new decking, all new shingles, you name it, we did it. So, guys, moving from bedroom one to bedroom two, of course, ripping up all this old nasty carpet. There was no closet in here either. So building a brand new closet here too. Again, all new light fixtures, gonna paint the ceilings, sheetrock these walls and do all new drywall in here as well. Pretty much everything that needs to be done here, guys, we are doing. This is as close to a full gut as it gets without being taking it down to studs. But I mean everything. And guys, this is the stuff that adds up. You're talking new window frames, all new door frames, new trim work throughout the entire house, painting the trim, repainting ceilings, all new doors, new light switches, light covers, outlets. When you do projects like this, you have to also understand that the ARV is going to be where you want it to be, and that's why also understanding what else is here works. We have to know, okay, if we do a flip here, we spend this amount of money, not only are we going to get the rent we need, but we're also going to get the after repair value that we're going to need. So guys, moving into the kitchen, we put a brand new floor in here. This entire place needs to be painted. Doing new drywall here. We are doing new cabinets, all new appliances. These are all getting trashed. Everything in here gone. Some of the new doors came earlier today, so we're good on those as well. And then everything else you can imagine here needs to be made safe and done the right way. So coming into the living room, this house, guys, was owned by just some older people, and it was just old. So everything in here is just beat up, it's worn down, and because of that, we're gonna have to redo all of it. Things like new vents for air, scraping and repainting all the chip paint here, scraping and repainting all this chip paint, and of course, this room over here is getting completely re-drywalled. So everything in here, all four walls, they'll do the ceiling after. We got our electrician doing electrical work there too. So everything in here, guys, gonna be redone, and they're starting here, and they'll just keep moving room to room and do this entire thing. So overall, this is a unit that we're going to get between $1,200 and $1,300 a month for. Of course, we'll get rid of a lot of trash and everything in here too, and get this unit up and running and ready to go. Overall, I love it. I love the area. I love everything about this house. And you guys know with value adds, when we buy something like this for $40,000, we can put work into it and have it be worth so much more. Never mind putting a tenant in here, having them pay $1,200, $1,300 a month and 100% guaranteed rent. It just creates another passive income stream for you. Where else is your money right now? Is it in the stock market that's getting absolutely destroyed? Is it in crypto getting absolutely destroyed? Where are you putting your money? So for something like this, we can lock in that return. It just works. And you have an asset that is appreciating in value that you come down to and touch. It's real. You have something that's kicking you money every single month, and it's also appreciating in value. So if you guys want to follow in Deep's footsteps and do something just like this, get into the description, send me an email. We'll get you started. You can do this with me and do this with my team, and we'll get you on the right step, on the right foot. See you next time.